how to upvote, downvote and award post on Reddit. Want to show your love or not so much for posts? Today I will show you how to upvote, downvote and award post on Reddit and why it matters. Let's get started. First things first, find a post. Browse Reddit and find a post or comment you want to react to. Now either upvote or downvote. On the left side of the post or comment, you will see a up arrow for upvoting. Click it if you like or agree with the post. Or down arrow for downvoting. Click it if you disagree or don't find it helpful. Upvotes are necessary for boosting the post visibility while downvotes lower it. Want to show extra appreciation? Click the give award icon or little trophy or gift box near the post. You can choose from free or paid awards that gives the poster Reddit coins or perks. Why it matters? Upvoting helps good content rise to the top, keeping Reddit fun and useful for everyone. Downvoting helps filter out spam or irrelevant posts. Award encourages creators to keep sharing great content. And that's how you use upvotes, downvotes and awards on Reddit. Show your opinion and support the best content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.